Hello, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Des here at Grok Trade, and it is February 14th, 2011. That means it's Valentine's Day. And let me wish all of you happy Valentine's Day, especially to those that are female listeners and traders out there that listen to these videos on a daily basis. And for those individuals that are forced to listen to my voice each day through the speakers of your husband's computer because he doesn't wear headphones. So happy Valentine's to all you. The reason I say that is because I've met with several students so far, and when they come for mentoring, all their spouses tell me that. But anyway, here we are. Let's get to technical analysis for those who actually have the time on Valentine's to be watching this video. But the market's mixed. We have the Dow down, but we have the S&P, Nasdaq, and Russell's all up. Russell's leading the charge, up 0.45%. About a 0.25% rise on the S&P and Nasdaq. We have the banks that were lagging the market most today. There was one point where the banks were leading the markets. For those in the chat room, you knew when that was taking place because we were talking about it, and then it started lagging yet again. The VIX, even though the markets were up, also went up 1.6%. So the fear indicator is on the rise. And we'll be explaining why here momentarily. Gold also up 0.5%. We had the dollar up 0.14%. Pretty good little drop in the transportation index, 0.34%. And really, those large caps taking a little bit of a hit today. This is what we have going on. We have the S&P at a major resistance point. Let's go back in time and show you this. We have resistance, 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 resistance right here, resistance, and resistance. That's where we're at. Big time resistance area. On the weekly chart, right there near a resistance area. If I go to the Dow, we have a doji where we have an inside trading day. You can see that right there. And on the Nasdaq, we did go higher, but we smacked our head at resistance. You go back in time, showed this to you a couple times. Support, support, resistance, resistance, and resistance. Right there. And Russell's is nearing a resistance trend line very, very soon. Because of that, I exited all of my long positions right at the end of the day because I don't like what I'm seeing with this resistance line. And let's bring in the spiders. And on a Monday, we should have had more volume than this. So on our up day, we had itsy bitsy teeny weeny volume. So not a lot of worth to this up move. So I'm a little gun shy right now. Pulled all the employees off the table, or at least all of my working investments in those positions. And tomorrow, if we rally to the moon, I'll have to get into my positions first thing in the morning. But I am right now willing to sidestep a potential of a gap up tomorrow for the chances of a drop taking place. So the markets are due for a pullback, and why not happen at a resistance point? So that's what I'm looking at. I have a question for you, and as I go through this, let me bring up the cues because I shouldn't have too many lines on that. Question for you. What reversal pattern is this right here? What reversal pattern is this? Or how about this? What two reversal patterns is this? If I go down here, what reversal pattern do we have here? How about here? How about the reversal pattern that we have right here? Or on the highs, what's that called? These are called candlestick reversal patterns. and they give us a chance to see a reverse or a pivot when they're going to come. So when you can identify these reversal patterns, you have a better chance of knowing when the reversal is going to take place. I'm giving away a free webinar. The free webinar is tomorrow night, Tuesday night, at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacific. All you have to do is email Mike at groktrade.com and ask for an invite. You'll get an invite and you can be part of a free webinar. Love to have you. At the end of that webinar, I'll do a little small discussion on mentoring that we have coming up. But the program is going to be about trading and candlestick reversal patterns and them explained. We're going to be talking about all the major ones and also the not so major ones. You'll enjoy it. So all you have to do, again, Mike at groktrade.com, and you'll see that on the next slide here. Take care and safe trading, and again, happy Valentine's Day or evening to you.